In this video, you will learn how to create an animated video for free using Adobe. You will be able add Voiceover also.
So as you saw, you will create something like this, okay, using Adobe. Okay, so this is for free. You will create animated videos, animated characters, and also you will add your voice also. You can record at the same time, and also you can import the audio file also. So let's get started. Okay, we will create an animated video. So first of all, search here in Google free animation from audio Adobe. Okay, so whenever you search it, you will face with this Adobe website. Okay, animate your audio for free. Click this and open this website. After opening this website, you will see this here button start now. Press the start now button. So it will start it. Okay, so to animate from your audio. So let's explore all these things first of all. Okay, just come here. Okay, in the character we have different characters. Okay, a lot of characters we have. Which one you select? So you can choose. Let's wait for loading it. Yeah, the characters has loaded. See, we have different characters that we can select. Okay, different characters. Here you have the category, so you can select, for example, which category you would like: classroom, sport, emoji, food, animals, and all people, young people, custom character, professional people. You can do a lot of things. Okay, like professional people. Okay, just come here down. So we have these character in professional um, characters. Okay, so I have selected this one. We can change it also. Okay, like this one. Okay, so after whenever you select your character, then we will come here to the right side to the background. Okay, in the background we have default backgrounds. These are different options that we have. Okay, if you don't like these options, so then you can select and add your own. Okay, just come here. This is if you would like to upload it, by pressing upload button you can add a background. Okay, but if you want transparent, but the transparent is paid, you I think that is paid. Okay, but if you would like to remove the background from this character, okay, this background from for that, then select this custom color, green color, then remove it in video editor, in CapCut or Canva, whatever editor you use, so you can remove that later. So okay, so it was here. You can select the size of your video, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, different sizes. Okay, like for YouTube we have 16, like the YouTube video. Okay, after correcting, so this was all about this. Okay, so now let's add our voice. By pressing this browse button, you will be able to add your audio. Okay, which is saved in your laptop or PC. Okay, by pressing this button, for example, I would like to add this one. But if you don't want to add audio, you can record it also. By pressing this, you will be able to record your audio. So let's add. I have already downloaded an audio. I will add that audio. So let's wait for it. Okay, it will take a minute. So our animation is ready now. Okay, so let's first of all we will preview it, review it. Okay, let's play it.
In this video, you will learn how to create an animated video for free using Adobe. You will be able add Voiceover also.
Okay, so this by pressing this download button, you will be able to download. Okay, so let's press download. So we will see we can download. I have already downloaded it. Let's cancel it back. Okay, but for downloading it, you should have an account. Okay, create an account in Adobe website. Okay, so it was all about how to create this animated character using Adobe. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.